Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Fit battery. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the battery. Put on gloves and safety glasses and keep a towel handy for spills. Loosen the negative terminal clamp with a 10 mm wrench first, then remove the positive clamp, remove any hold-down bracket, and lift the battery straight out with steady hands. I'll walk you through each step in plain language so you can follow safely and confidently. After disconnecting both terminals, inspect cable ends for corrosion and clean them with a wire brush if needed. Remove the hold-down bracket with the appropriate socket, then lift the battery straight up to avoid tipping acid. Set the old battery on a sturdy surface for recycling and prepare the new battery for installation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a compact, affordable way to stream music, set reminders, and keep your hands free while you work on the car. I like using one to play a how-to playlist while I wrench. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Safety is simple but critical, so take these precautions seriously before you begin any battery work. Avoid smoking and keep sparks away, and never lean tools across the battery. If terminals are corroded, clean them before installing the new battery to ensure a good connection. When handling the battery, lift with your legs and avoid twisting. Always transport batteries upright to prevent leaks and spills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.